Hey guys! What we are going to discuss today?
Today let's discuss 15-mark question from 2012 August question paper.
Okay. Then somebody read the question.
The first question is about neuromuscular junction.
Neuromuscular junction is a chemical synapse between a motor neuron and a muscle fiber.
What happens there?
It allows the motor neuron to transmit a signal to muscle fiber, causing muscle contraction. Muscle require innervation to function and even just to maintain muscle tone and avoid atrophy.
What are the parts of neuromuscular junction?
Presynaptic terminal, postsynaptic membrane and synaptic cleft. The presynaptic part of a neuromuscular junction refers to the axon terminal of the neuron. Synaptic vesicle is present in the presynaptic part. These vesicles contains neurotransmitter, which are chemical messengers that are responsible for the transportation of the message. In the case of the neuromuscular junction, the neurotransmitter is called acetylcholine.
Postsynaptic membrane is the membrane of the muscle fiber cell to which the signal is traveling. This is very important for the transmission of the signals from the motor neuron.
What is a sarcolemma?
Additionally, the muscle cell have a specialized cell membrane called sarcolemma that helps in the transmission of signals throughout the muscle fibers.
What is a synaptic cleft?
It is the space between the presynaptic terminal and postsynaptic membrane. This space is important for the control of the concentration of the neurotransmitter that communicates the signals to the muscle cell.
What is neuromuscular junction?
Neuromuscular junction is responsible for the chemical transmission of the electrical impulse from the nerve to a muscle in order to produce a proper muscle contraction.
What is the function of a neuromuscular junction?
Transmit motor neuron to the skeletal muscle fibers quickly to ensure precise control of skeletal muscle contraction and transfer voluntary movement.
What is the first step in neuromuscular junction?
Synaptic transmission at the neuromuscular junction starts when an action potential reaches the presynaptic terminal of a motor neuron, which activates the voltage-gated calcium channel to allow the calcium ions to enter the neuron.
How is an impulse transmitted across a neuromuscular junction?
Acetylcholine is a small molecule that acts as a chemical messenger to propagate nerve impulse across the neuromuscular junction between the nerve and a muscle. When the nerve impulse from a motor neuron reaches the tip of the axon, acetylcholine molecules stored over there in the vesicles are released into the synaptic gap.
What happens when a nerve impulse reaches a neuromuscular junction?
When a nerve impulse reaches a neuromuscular junction, acetylcholine is released. Acetylcholine binding opens ion channel in the receptor that allows simultaneous passage of sodium into the muscle fibers and potassium out the muscle fibers.
What is the role of acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction? In the somatic nervous system, acetylcholine is used at the neuromuscular junction, triggering the firing of motor neuron and affecting voluntary movement.
Hey guys, we have completed one question. Let's meet another day. Bye.